guys, so many of you enjoyed my last blazer video that I've decided to do another one more specific to navy blazers. This video was requested by Maureen. Thank you so much. I hope you get great value out of this and so does everybody else. This is the blue blazer that I will be outfitting today. I actually got this from the op shop, like a linen blazer, quite a long, more of a baggy kind of fit, and it's got shoulder pads. I think I've created about 12 or 13 outfits ranging from casual to dressy. Without further ado, let's start the video. 3 more tips for you when styling your navy blazer. Don't be afraid to wear navy with black. They do go together. Back in the day, it was kind of frowned upon, but don't worry, you can get away with it now. Just pull in the black with your outfit. I used these trainers when I wore my black pants because they have that little bit of black on the bottom, which kind of pulled the black through, and I had a black bag as well. And my second tip is to not be afraid to go tonal. So like my outfit that I'm wearing now, everything's kind of blue. It's a bit crazy, but I love it. And the third tip is to buy accessories that have blue in it. So as you can see, this headband has a bit of blue and white in it, so I found that really easy to finish off an outfit. My scarf that I used, this one from Country Road, it has that little peach color in it with the navy, and that just really helped to add a little bit more color to my outfit, to match it with my belt, just kind of up the ante on a lot of my outfits. Whatever color blazer you have, grab some accessories that kind of match, and that will hopefully help you put together a couple of cool outfits. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram below for more outfit inspiration, and subscribe on this side by hitting my face, and you can watch more videos over here. You might like my other blazer outfit video, which I will link above. So I hope you got loads of inspiration from today's videos. Happy styling, guys. See you next time.